Welcome to RAISINS.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, tap Data Analysis and choose Regression Analysis. Tap Get Started to reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the dependent variable for analysis. Next, select the independent variable for analysis. If any of the observation need machine learning approach, enable Machine Learning Approach option. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In the Assumptions tab, you can see if your data fits the regression assumptions of homogeneity, normality, multicollinearity, and autocorrelation with diagnostics, plots, and ACF residual plots. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create regression line plot, facet regression plots, Pareto chart of regression coefficients. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with Raisins.live, and make your data speak.